Osano Odua, or Agbanuwa, APC or Mana, or Angulibona.
Karawe mwe otwe oge na ya poru ogaze na hia una no iba mare ogbese wa ya bokia o
otwe o kan wa kare wa ma o wa yi wa hu kwa enu wa don ne ma ti ma he no wa otu aze na ni ma ye na otu na e ma ya ni mepete obi akoduku Gongo hokun ni bie wa ma fo wa ma bite ma sa ku wa ba ave ki ma ba yo we ni ma pa yo na to ka egbe ara o emi kemi wa no enia ke ni ma be no wa ro ni ma no ma obi ahia wa dia edenko no ri meje ni ya godomigodo ye boy amare oba ya gbo heke no tere oma obo ayodugun epeti na to se go oba to pe
I want to greet everybody. Now my movement now carry come today. The time when I say I dey come here, this now our town. But if you say now your town, you go to make noise for somewhere, you not call your town. How your town go remember you when the time for your time to remember you come? Impossible. I will tell me that good in here. Go here. One rock by you. I think of yes, some Sabbath business and anymore. We are going to do everything. The beginning of the development of this town is just starting. We are also starting was telling me just now that he has started this primary school. I will remember. Why quick your man? Who are turning my back? Who are turning my back? I came to thank you in advance. Obaseki Sebe can greet you now. The wake and see governor. Wake and see governor of Edo State. Sebe can greet you now. You see, Ogbese don't get tired. Ogbese don't get light. You know, go make Ogbese still they go river. By the grace of God, before the next 4 years, when we come back again, I know say some people get bored here. Water go day. On that day, Saturday, now APC you go see you. Those when you want to make Obaseki continue as governor, say aye. Aye. You want to make Obaseki continue as governor, say aye. He said the I have it. Yeah. But for I to have it, you have to have it on Saturday. Yes. APC must have it on Saturday. Yeah. Now I we bought now. Oh, number one, you come here. I go kada is living out, but my number one. Ima do mi wa, obi wa ka mi wa ni. E baba we ye gbe tere ama we wo so wo mi here. Wa ka do we ne. Thank you, Emma we ma are because my ene we these are the green of the now. Wa we ne. Oh, kana o pe ne. ọ̀máìlà pò ọ̀gbẹ́nẹ̀ àìwá làpò wo orí ọ̀gá náà yí fẹ́rẹ̀ pé ní wọ́n ti mú ẹ̀ ìdọ̀bọ̀ bá lè yọ̀bọ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀wẹ́ náà wò this is tẹ́kù àkọyà káàdì small but fine. Going to the house of representatives on the Abuja direct. No, the House of Assembly in Oro, okay, March 2nd in Oro, in Ototana, Otimario, Barrister, APC, Golmoye, Musaya Dejo, and they want to take it. You know, we can't run here. The side that I do, every moment. Ma be mu ye bo o be su he gbe no ma o e ma la bu ma do wa wala o this Saturday we are be ni a be APC wa kan mi e o we APC alawo da o APC aberi ma yima wa ka wa ibe o alawo bu we le ma ka ka ma ni re o e tennis o sa pe mo ro e o bi da o sa Sala, Makari Mane, very man, Marile de Rena. We no time, but waiting my dog West, Western Wakia, with my day Saturday no dinner. Emi Bumaka, one and Keterate, Zelly Yobo, Nimwe Baby, Kaya, you Nico, Nepote, women empowerment. Kaka bomb with me, the two Saloba. Yate ba madam Mosa. Ete ba ni am imwe kata bo ni aya ke baba ni ba nige ba we ti o we ya dole to fi agi. Ebe ti o sa wa mo na koko wa ebi. E ki anye kwe mu wa. Ni o yi na ye ni ra ye na ye ne mo. Ye na we ye ni ye. E ti o sa wa ga yo bo na me. E ki anye kwe ya mu wa ye ni. Wa be wo mu wa ke o. Oba atogbe. Madam Mosa. When the Peter Metaino, my senior colleague, in Makaya Guba, the Buhari Arabu Jana Way, they go to not the buy. There is in the house and the buy. I am here to come Abuja. A big who carry a pass in the window. Yeah, you got one in the window. Man, I don't know my mind, the Bobasa Kilima. My I want to be a PC man. A budget to a government like that. When there is a consonance among the government, of every year move on smoothly. Wow. Now, every Saturday, every rep, every Senate, every Buhari, by one in the day of Kukuka or Benin, the second, a PDP, why you do on the feet. Voilà, on va vous commander. Oh man, I vote now election ban one dinner. Eh man, mo wa ko kibere ogo biwa. Be mai ku wa le de wa yo ja do be. Owe tapu la me kweme egbeta kweme o la ri ayo niwa obi wa mariere first owe president ro wa e Buhari de da ni kina no senate no ro owe mu na Macedonia wa bi boyare but go ba ya kon ya wa are mo. Yeah, if I learn to my room, small but here no the House of Representatives. Okaba way me not so a job. Okaba where get there. Oh no, me had that time was a job. Una why is at the pen or I call you the colonial massacre. Okaba pene o mona. So you know where that is Ahosa alias Denku going to the house. okay. 2 Saturdays after that, obviously House of Assembly. Obaseki di mayata Obaseki muna. Waya papa to wabate unwewe. Gay, omala boa kubete wiku. Uwewe no pema pesi. Ewa no ya pema ni governor no make na zo weni. Nere omaite just apa kwa ya ebe. Only man carry House of Assembly. Kumala pia wali like governor. Lukie pia imuna. Bena ya sala down. Okay? Okay, wa me bi awe this bill di oye. America ke $10 aba. Amaikwe ke oye na le owe gbamfua. Ability ma because I borrow to Oba. Oba said he managed my wife who moved from Winnie after Anebo. The marriage is on the house of Assembly. A young dynamic man, well educated, Willow, they put a barrister of law. Or yes, or Kubo, or Tweki, or you can occupy position of authority, or you can gas the Muna. By no, we are going to be saying why I will support you to get yes, I will also aware. You know, that is our guy. APC!
Unity bad better. Vani kwa afyo elima.
Yes, sir.
Kwa mawa kumata le kwa sota.
Yes, sir.
Menogere enda kwa mawa. Yes, sir. Kwa dile kwa na enda hamulo kwa na lamya cha.
Yes, sir.
Kwa yani ile ya duara kwa.
Yes, sir.
Baba atokwe.
Yes, sir.
Ko ka bo wa vome. Luwana to buha do tota bimaji. Papa Zeki we ni waya do na te we can see governor. Emani di azena we Buhari edizala ni kiri no bina. APC no you we one egbe e ma lori e ma wa. No we Senate igodo party ko ba ya gbon. No the House of Rep, no the House of Assembly. Yeah, very well. Osaba owe nene. Ma na we. Ana I do hear la the Azena the House of Representatives. And these are the now. This the House. Oh, you go back to one. You're the House of Representatives. No, really House of Assembly. 2 weeks after that. So we have Piano from Okada Eastward. Ogenia, why we the your tier barrister Wagia for House of Assembly. Bukeha is only prepared by March 2nd. Bukeha na Alana Akaya Woge. Members of APC, I saw fine when I have a fine when who day I will yes. Oh, you can't anyone. I will only have some rep or what you might look at. 2 Saturdays after that, I will only have some. Over the House of Rep, no be your man and the art to the and I pay. Edo Kama, Odo level no. Eba ye do level yi, e na ka asa mo wa so mo. Sa mo re oya ti mo we na gbe odo. Oye na we ni polo. Oye ni polo. So, Obiuwa, Denko. The Nisidas are popularly referred to as Denko, the young man of the youth. Yenami, no, the Azoe House of Rep. No Panovinia, House of Assembly. The Pedeva Keha no Puna. They voted March 2nd, 2 Saturdays immediately after the presidential, Senate, and rep election. I can wait as assembly. You know, for me, I recognize talent. That's why wherever you are, do your best. When you are good, people will come and look for you. In politics, let us speak their grammar. When election come, if you are good, when election come, if they won't win, they'll come look for you. If they don't look for you, because you don't strong for inside. Now this is our DB. Powerful but humble. Our brother talk and just now. When I tell him, say, look, how you go do? You say, go join on. Now I say, God don't bless you. This is a powerful man. And many of you are powerful. So I come beg you now today. Then this is when they go House of Rep. And whatever they go House of Assembly. I just say, may I come beg you now, my brother. This Saturday, you know, help us elect Denko, elect the president, elect senator. This Saturday when we come, so I beg. I just want to thank you and thank our brother and thank all of you for coming to wait for me. May God Almighty bless you and grant your heart desire. Abe Denko, yani House of Rep this Saturday now. House of Assembly March 2nd. So on me win me wa do tabu wa. Wala o. Na iri na. Na wa kuma we gbowo. Wo gbowo. Na wa dey vote yo. Ara yin ine meta me ma o di meta gbe ora me ita mi aya. As from next year let us see action. Any arita lo gbe waya fe yan waya. You know o wa mere wa we say. Ima yan ipari edo na. Aye mi ti o le do.